Good morning, it's Donny here at Blackberry Farm. Well, today we're on the second part of crop establishment. We've done the dung spreading, muck spreading. We're now on incorporating that biomass into the soil, and how we do that is with the plough. And if I'm just going to turn around and I'll let you see it. Here we have a Dowdeswell DP7. This is what we use. They were only made for about 18 months in 1977-78. So it's quite old. It's a 4 for a plough, which means you've got 4 blades. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's a reversible plough, so this spins round and it allows you to go back and forward instead of having to go round in big circles trying to do it one direction. So we're going to be ploughing today and incorporating all the dung that was spread the other day into the soil, and we'll let you see how all that works. Right then, we're off. Now, you can see this bit here, this is where the skim cooler, the other opposite one of that, is in the soil. It's turning that first bit over, you see it curling round, and it's starting to push it into the trench. The main plough blade is now digging up the rest of that soil and turning it up, over, on top of what it's doing. Now, if you go up there, you can actually see a better view, that one up there. See it beautifully turning it over, upside down, and the other plough blade burying it as it comes across. So you're having a complete inversion of the soil. You're burying all the organic matter that we've put onto it, all the old stubble, all the weed seeds, all the growing weeds, which is going to kill them. It's going to help you have less chemicals and that on your soil for next year. And it's just helping to till the soil ready for the seed crop going in. So there we go, there's a nice straight line, look at that. So we're going really slow at the moment just so we can show you this. We normally go a wee bit faster, not too much. The faster you go, the more chance you have of damaging something. You hit a big stone, you don't want to do that. And shortly, you can see there's no birds or anything around just now. Shortly the word will go out with the seagulls and the kittiwakes and the terns and everything else, and they'll start jumping up and down in here, and we should have hundreds of birds following the plough. There we go. So you should have no what they call trash, which is no sticky up bits of grass or stubble or anything like that showing on the top of your plough line. It should just be nice, brown, completely inverted soil. There we go.